Krishna, he cannot remain away from the residence of Vrindavan, so he travels on the pretext of this Ratha Yatra. Lord Jagannath goes from Dwaraka to Vrindavan to actually meet his devotees in Vrindavan. Exchange between that loving devotion that the devotees of Vrindavan have for Krishna and Krishna has for the devotees of Vrindavan.
This Ratha Yatra is a great opportunity every year for the people of Chennai to come and participate and pull the Ratha, chant and dance, have prasadam and participate in these celebrations.
First of all, that's youngsters. In ISKCON, நம்ம ஹரே கிருஷ்ணா மூமெண்ட்ல மட்டும் தான் யங்ஸ்டர்ஸை பார்க்க முடியுது, யங்கர் ஜெனரேஷனை பார்க்க முடியுது. இந்த பக்தி வைஸ் I really my salutations to Hare Krishna movement.
And ISKCON is propagating one very, very important message, that is of Bhakti Yoga. I'm sure all those who introspect about religion know that Sri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, he talked about the Jnana Yoga, the Bhakti Yoga and also the Karma Yoga. That Bhakti Yoga takes you not only closer to God, but also enables you to lead a healthy life.
Prabhupada said today the need is not philosophy. The need is to give them taste for spiritual life. The Sankirtana of the names of the Lord will give that.
Hinduism is one religion which encourages you to look at the universe. Hinduism is one religion which enables you to accept other religious ideas as important for upliftment and elevation. Hinduism is one religion which enables you to practice tolerance and mutual respect. This was the message he gave to the world. Swami Prabhupada chose the right time to take the Hindu religion. That it is not so much the fact that he took it to the western area. It's important that he took it there as well while retaining its roots in India. And that's the greatness of Swami Prabhupada and the ISKCON movement.
The practical way in which Prabhupada administered Krishna consciousness to this world is unparalleled. Nobody has ever done that. Krishna Prasadam will give that taste. First take Krishna Prasadam, purify your body. Chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, purify your mind and heart. Then you can understand Bhagavad Gita, then you can understand Krishna.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna